Well, it's taken more than 2 weeks, but Labor has finally delivered its response to the Banking Royal Commission report. Bill Shorten wants new laws to clean up the industry and is demanding more sitting days to legislate them.
Sick and tired of watching its polling numbers sink while talking about border security, Labor looked to change the subject today.
We're here today to talk about implementing the Banking Royal Commission.
Hoping to exploit the parliamentary weaknesses of the minority Morrison government by introducing
the first legislation to start implementing the Hayne Banking Royal Commission.
Writing to the Prime Minister before pressing home the point in question time.
Why won't the Prime Minister schedule more sitting weeks before the election so that this Parliament can legislate the recommendations of the Banking Royal Commission?
So this Parliament can stop dodgy insurers ripping off Australians.
The Labor Party have had 15 days to respond to the Royal Commission, and what they announced today, it sounds like they spent 15 minutes.
The Labor legislation includes provisions to protect people taking out car loans and funeral insurance, as well as improve the insurance claims handling processes. 10 News First has obtained internal Labor Party research that helps explain why Bill Shorten has turned back to the banking issue to try and reclaim the political agenda. Voters in marginal seats expressed anger with the government taking so long to call the Royal Commission, as well as frustration with self-regulation by the banks. One participant exclaiming self-regulation was like putting Dracula in charge of the blood bank.
None other than the Law Council of Australia said we must take the time to get this right.
The government is caught between an election even improved polls suggest it won't win and a parliament it can't control.
Frankly, it's lingering like a fart in an elevator.
Bank on Labor using the banks to bash the government again tomorrow. Peter Van Onselen for 10 News First.